Hello friends and followers. So a little more work on this BC-654a World War II transmitter. I'm still getting hum. It seems like a ground loop, but there were some really difficult capacitors to replace in this thing, which I simply didn't want to deal with, and I finally did. So there's some 0.01s. This is these are the final tubes here, 225s, and there's a 0.01 there, a 0.01 there, and one there. Okay, all well and good, except how do you replace those? So those were buried way in here, and that was really hard to get the old ones out. One of them is here, and I kind of singed everything getting it in there, but that's in there now. One here and one here. Those are 0.01s that go to the filaments of the final. So I'm hoping that will relieve some of the hum. I gotta get some excess solder out of here now because they were really hard to get a pencil iron in through this whole mesh of wiring and get those soldered. It took a long time. So that's that. What else can I tell you about this? Yeah, I got some hum. I just want to step by step replace things. I don't see any more capacitors in here worth replacing. I'm hoping these are somewhat good. You never know. I'm just kind of going one by one here, trying to get this thing quieted down. It hums a lot. There are certain things here I don't understand, like why is the B plus coming in 500 volts going to this resistor and then to a large 4 microfarad capacitor there, which goes to ground. I don't know why they do that. Anyway, there's many things about 1935 or 40 technology that I don't understand, but making the best of it. So yeah, these capacitors were the 0.01s that I replaced. 3 of those. One of these had like leakage on the ohm meter where I would see like mega ohms on this thing, but I guess anything that can conduct noise off the filaments, that can be bad. The filaments are supposedly DC, so I'm not sure why there would be noise, but yeah. So these all got replaced. And we're done with that. So there were 3 of those. All right, well, thanks for watching. I guess it's time to fire this thing back up and see what happens. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.